Hello 2020 user, thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add prep to attach end panel to a cabinet. In your most recent cabinet catalog, right-click on the cabinet you're wanting to add the modification to and go into its attributes. Once in the attributes of the cabinet, we will open up the add-ons tab, open up the base modification, and this is a frame modification. We will scroll down as this modification is listed toward the bottom of the frame modifications list. You can choose to prep to attach end panel left or right, or both. In this modification example, we are going to choose left. You will see that we currently do not have this modification working correctly, so the side does not change. You will also need to go into the notes of the cabinet and type in that if you're wanting a 3/4 inch prep per panel or a 1/4 inch prep per panel, so that the factory knows what size that you're wanting this to be made. To get this to show correctly in your design, what you will need to do is take your 3/4 or 1/4 panel that you're using, and I've sized this less 3/4 of an inch of the cabinet, and you have to collide it with the cabinet so that it shows correctly in your drawing, and just show a little bit of the panel on the side so that everything gets included correctly in your drawing. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see us demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!